Most people think you need a lot of money to start investing, but the truth is even $100 is enough to begin. The problem is, most beginners lose at chasing quick money. They see videos promising fast profits and take risky decisions. And when they lose that first $100, they quit completely. So the real goal is not to get rich fast. The goal is to build a simple investing habit. Before you invest, ask yourself one question: will I need this money in an emergency? If the answer is yes, start with savings first, because investing should never put you under pressure. Next, if you have high interest debt, pay it off first. That can be better than any investment return. If you are ready, avoid risky coins and random stocks. Instead, invest in a simple index fund. It spreads your money across the entire market. This reduces risk and builds steady growth over time. The key is not big money, it's consistency. Even small weekly investments can grow massively, because wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Start small, stay consistent, think long term. Your first $100 won't change your life, but the habit you build might.